So recently, Natalie and I have been watching these videos on Facebook by Tasty. And they're like these really short recipes that are filmed really amazingly well.
You just watch them in your mouth, it's just like...
Tonight we're gonna make, what's it called? Pork and fries?
I think barbecue pork fries.
Barbecue pork fries.
Which is probably gonna be horrible.
It's good. It sounds terrible.
Sounds bad.
The gathering of the ingredients begins now.
It's like a whole new...
We have to put it in 2 hours. For the 2 hours at 4 o'clock, should start cooking at 3.
Look at how happy is she? She's so happy.
Here we go. We're making the pork.
We're doing this. The oven is preheating to, I think I remember at 425. Oh, do you want to wash the potatoes?
Yeah, I'll wash the potatoes.
It's like...
Ooh, some whole pork. It's beautiful. Look how beautiful that is.
Salt and pepper. Wow, that's a lot of barbecue sauce. That's enough.
Nope, we're following this recipe, Jack. I really want to lick my fingers, but
Yeah, it would not be a good idea.
that's dangerous.
One.
It's like a whole new world.
Pork monster.
I want it so badly. Oh God.
Holy shit.
Oh.
Horrific.
My goodness.
Oh my heavens.
Look at that. This is really good.
Extra cheese is amazing. You gotta do some extra cheese. This is a good dinner for like a big group of people.
Football team.
Mm-hmm.